Ever wished you could put a real video right on your Android home screen? It looks awesome and it's way easier than you might think. Let me show you how. First, download and install the Video Widget app from the Google Play Store. I've added the download link in the description below. Once it's installed, open the app and tap Continue. Next, choose the video you want to use as your home screen widget. After that, tap Add Widget. Before adding it, you can also decide whether you want the video to play with sound or keep it muted. Now go back to your home screen, then resize and move the video widget wherever you like until it looks perfect. And that's it. Your video is now playing right on your Android home screen. Pretty cool, right? If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of Android tips you'd like to see next.